County 911, location of your emergency.
Sprague, Washington, downtown, the main street. A man grabbed a little kid and we caught it. We got the kid, but the man was loose somewhere.
Where at downtown Sprague?
Right in the main street, right across from the tavern.
You got a road name or anything?
Okay, First Street, 216.
216 First Street?
Yes.
And when you said he grabbed the kid?
A man grabbed about a 2-year-old baby child and was running with it. The little kid started screaming. And anyway, he ran off south, going north out of town. Gary's running around with the truck looking for him. Okay, so far we haven't seen him, but we got the baby.
Okay.
He's okay.
Stay on the line with me, okay?
We're trying to find the man.
Real quick.
Okay, we'll see you here. Bye-bye.
31.
31.
We just took a 911 call at 216 First Street in Sprague. Female caller advising a male tried to abduct a 1-year-old child. They have the child. The man is loose in Sprague sometime. Call was disconnected and going to recontact.